Good day guys, it's Mr. Lowlife here. So guys, today I have a very big surprise for you. But before we go into that, first like, share, subscribe and ring the bell for more videos. So guys, I'll first show you the big surprise. Then I'm going to show you what tools I'm going to use. So yeah, let's get into the video. But remember, stance is not a crime. So guys, as you can see, my surprise is in this box. Let me just open it for you guys. So as you guys can see, I bought me a brand new set of A1 coilovers. A Shabamax. Shabamax is based in Cape Town. I will leave his details down in the description, so you guys can just check him out. They have a good service. So let me put you on a time lapse how the coilovers look.
Take me away, flying on pure imagination, finding places where I need to go. Let's escape.
So guys, these are the tools you will need. You will need a jack, lock up the car, a wheel spanner for the wheels, a 17 and a 19 for the shocks, and a 12 for a shock mount, and a screwdriver for the boot covers. So those will be the tools you will need to put in brand new coilovers or standard shocks. So guys, this is my little brother. He will be my mechanic for today. So first, loosening up the wheels and jack up the car. I will put it in the time lapse how we loosening up the wheels. First, loosening up the brake line with a 13 spanner, and then there's two bolts on the bottom of the shock with a 19 spanner.
To a place where dreams are doors you can't walk through. Flying on pure imagination, finding places where it means heaven. Take my hand and we'll run forever. Every day on a new adventure.
So when you are done on the bottom of the shock, then come to the shock mounting and loosening up those bolts with a 12 spanner. 17 spanner for the rear shocks. Remember, in front is 19 and the rear is a 17. So I will just loosen up those ones. So in the boot you just remove this cover, and as you can see here are the bolts that you must loosen up for the 12 spanner.
Take me away. Flying on your imagination, finding places where we meet together. Let's escape.
Good morning guys, so this is the next day of the video. So the reason why I was stopping the video yesterday is because my battery went flat, and if you are staying in South Africa you know most there's a thing such as load shedding. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the back is a little bit lower than the front, so I will just check up the car and adjust the coilovers a little bit lower. Then I will tell you guys what the cinematics on how the car looks.
Flying on your imagination, finding places where we meet together.
Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got a cold heart. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go, go, go. Drop that ass to the floor, floor, yeah. Ah, whoa, you ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the Benz, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of bass. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want the shoe with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top, babe. She wants your name and D-Yo-Yo. I'm only doing cash, I don't need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco. If I got a feeling, I keep it inside my heart. And I keep a pedicure cause I don't do facades. You can see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it, it make you go and do anything you want. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got a cold heart. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Drop that ass to the floor, yeah. Ah, whoa, you ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the Benz, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want the shoe with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top, babe. If I hit it front of back, she gon' hit the sidewalk. And she got a best friend with her, take her back to my law. At the 5 in the morning, wild and wild. And then they been begging, but she a stallion. Never keep my hoes divided. Remember I was pulling up in the valley. You know I take her so when she ride. Every time we kick it like Timbo. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause.